Now, instead of them to praise us that we're not taking the money as a government that's living, we are still commissioning and flagging off projects. So those of you who are not happy, well, you choose not to be happy. We will choose to be happy, and we are very happy. So we are very proud that we had this opportunity given to us by our people, and we did not disappoint our people, and we will not disappoint our people. Let everybody be assured that every project that we have embarked upon, like I've said before, will be completed before my successor and his deputy who are seated here. Let nobody make mistake. My friend, the governor of Lagos State, let nobody tell his story that anybody will come here to win as governor of Rivers State. Far. This is what will be Igbo book of Mbadon. It will not happen. Will it happen? No. Will it happen? No. So people are contesting for contesting sake, and which is proper. Let it look that an election took place. But if it is that you want to win, please, just go home, because we won't make that kind of mistake. Those who looted the treasure of the state will not come here to be governor of Rivers State. And I have challenged them. And there are some parties that are not even known. Some people are contesting on that. I don't understand. But we have not started politics yet. When we start, everybody will show Operation Show Your Report card. Operation Show Your Report card. And we will do anything for the interest of Rivers State. If you say Rivers State does not matter, Rivers State will tell you don't also matter. Do you understand me? At the appropriate time. If you don't like us, we will not like you. If you like us, we will like you. Not be so? If you fall for me, nobody will use our vote for nothing. Our vote will matter, and Rivers State must benefit from anybody we are going to support. That is the truth of the matter. Politics now is no longer vote for somebody. What will you do for the people of Rivers State? That is this. So people should be calm down. We are coming. Nobody should panic. I'm fully in charge. I hope you know that. I am fully in charge. I'm not that kind of governor. Anybody can go to Abuja and hold meeting. I'm not that kind of governor. I'm fully in charge here. If you say I'm not in charge, put your head. If you say I'm not in charge, put your head. And see when you will come out. So all these big names, forget it. These are the people. We are in charge. So, Mr. Governor, this is your home. Feel comfortable. Anytime I come to Lagos, I see what you are doing in Lagos. I'm so impressed. That's why I say you to come and see what we are doing. It has nothing to do with party. It has to do to compare notes. And that's where we are supposed to work. Party is a vehicle that takes you to a destination. You come down, right? You come down and show that you have the capacity to do something for our people. I'm sure our people know that we have that capacity, and we have shown that capacity. Just 2 weeks, we'll be commissioning, flagging up. Anybody who can do that, go and do it, let us see. It is not by mouth. Whether you hate us or not, there's nothing you can do about it. Whether you like me or not, it is immaterial. Don't jealous us, you do your own. If you have what to do, call governors from other states. Call leaders from other states. Let them come and see what you have done and see what we have done. We are not ashamed. We are very happy that we are showcasing to the world what we have done and what we can do. So those who are not happy that we are showcasing, you will have your own opportunity, because since you are not happy, you can't have this opportunity. only one man will be governor, and that governor is from our party, and the candidate has emerged. So let me use the opportunity and invite my dear brother, the performing governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, to please come and talk to your people and then commission Orochi Woruku flyover. Thank you, and God bless you.